Right, okay, we're looking at speed, distance, time here. I thought I'd do a distance time graph and a speed calculation. Alright, so first question says, at which stage was I travelling the fastest on my car journey? So I'm going to call this bit A. Right, I'm going to ignore the flat bits, the horizontal bits, because they are when I've stopped. Call that bit B, C and D. Right, now A, I've travelled 40 kilometres in 1 hour. So that's 40 kilometres per hour. Alright, B, I've travelled in half an hour, I've travelled another 40 kilometres. So 40 kilometres in, now what I'm going to do is in 30 minutes and times it by 60. Alright, now if I do 40 kilometres in half an hour, that means I'm going to do 80 kilometres in a whole hour. Alright, now C, so I'm getting quicker, maybe the engine's warming up or something. In half an hour I've done, what's that, 60. So we're doing 60, times 60, and so therefore that's going to be 120 kilometres per hour. I wonder what the speed limit was on that road. Now then, D, I'm nearly out of room. In fact, I pretty much am out of room. I'll do it up here. So D is, now how far have I travelled? 140 kilometres in 1 hour. So that's 140 kilometres per hour. Alright, so it's D is the answer. D, that bit. Right, between 4 and 5 hours. Alright, so as long as you know that speed equals distance divided by time, okay, and that, if you think about the units, kilometres per hour, alright, kilometres per divide, alright, then it's pretty straightforward. Now then, the second one, it says a cyclist travels at an average speed of 40 kilometres per hour. Right, the cyclist travelled 32 kilometres. For how long was the cyclist travelling? The cyclist was going quite quick, actually. Anyway, we know that speed equals distance over time, or hopefully we know that. Distance is a terrible D. I'm going to have to rub that out and do that again. Right, D, there we go. Now then, we have the speed, 40. We have the distance, 32. We just don't have the time. And so therefore, what I'm going to do is rearrange this, multiply by time, divide. There, now you may have seen this sort of thing before. Speed equals distance over time. I want, and I'll just do it in a different colour, I want this one. So time equals distance over speed. Okay, now that as a fraction is 4/5. Now that in time sounds a bit weird, but actually it's 4/5 of an hour, because that's kilometres per hour. Now 4/5 of an hour, right, 4/5 of 60, it's just 48 minutes. Okay, so there you go. So there are a couple of different speed, distance, time questions there that you may see. Alright, pretty straightforward. Okay, just think about the units quite carefully.